I am The Session, and this is a video about stocks that'll make us millionaires. If this is your first time on the channel, I want you to understand that this video is brought to you by me, as well as the homies from cheatcode.tv, cheat code algo, whatever you want to call them. All their information will be in the description today. So without further ado, let's talk about the option plays in the stocks. You did. All right, people. So as you see on the screen, we have Boeing. This has been crazy on the news. It's been a lot of conversation going on with Boeing. So one thing we do know is that we have something called Trade Hero, and that is from the homies at Cheat Code Algo. And what that does is, let me zoom in, it sends you a text message every single day that tells you what option plays you can get in. And the other day we reviewed the play Boeing Call. Now they called this out last week, and you seen last week we went from 200 to 216 the other day. So that they offered it for a quick swing. So now I want to show you yesterday. They sent me a text out. And what does it say? Let me get close right here. Where is it? Oh, you see it right there. The BA short swings. You see that? It says here they got a Boeing call for a $222 call, a short swing. They're telling you to put this 2 to 3 weeks out, and you can go ahead and take profits within 2 to 3 days, depending on the market. So you can do what you like, but I'm telling you right now that Boeing got some stuff in the news, but I got some stuff that's going to be for you that maybe you might not have known. Come with me. So if we want to take this out a couple weeks, you know what I mean, 2 to 3 weeks, you're looking at a $220. So you're looking to pay between $645 and $450 on getting this option. Okay, so what I did was I went to ChatGPT and I typed in exactly the price of the stock, how far we went, etc. And this is telling me how much it will cost to get the option. As you see, $450, just as we just talked about. And if we sell it now, you're going to sell it for a loss. So you let me know, do you think you're going to hold it? Do you want to sell it? I don't know. But before you make that judgment, let me show you this video. So first of all, I'm going to press play. So in this video, this is the head of all airlines, and they were speaking about some of the hits they took during COVID, the pandemic, etc. But then they spoke about this point that I didn't think about. So with Boeing, they had some of their airplanes looking a little shaky, baby. I'm talking about looking a little crazy, parts falling off the plane, bolts and nuts. You know how this is. If you want a plane and you see your plane, some screws fall out the plane when you look out the window, you might be a little shook up. But this is what I didn't know. All the airlines went down except for possibly two, United and American Airlines. So those two went up, but the others went down. And here's the thing I didn't realize is that, one, Boeing supplies a lot of planes. So it's not just so easy that all the airlines can just go start buying different planes. They can go start buying different planes all of a sudden. It's easy. They just sell them everywhere. It's not like that. Two is that they actually might get reimbursed because the airline themselves don't make the plane. Boeing makes the plane, and they've actually outsourced some of their products to another company. So the outsourcing kind of did some damage to the quality of the planes. It changed the quality. It changed the manufacturing. It changed the shipping. It changed a lot of things that we don't think about as consumers. So they're saying they also might be eligible for some sort of refund from what's happened to them. And if you want to know what that business is, they have their parts making a business called SPR, which is Spirit Aero Systems, where they have this company making 737s and all the pieces, etc. So if you like this tool, what I want you to do is go visit the homies at Cheat Code Algo. But you see that price? Don't worry about it. It's a free trial. I want you to go over here, click this, so you can get these amazing text messages right to your phone every day. Or if you want to use some of their charts, the free trial is here, and it only lasts for a few hours. So that's going to do it for today's video. We talked about Boeing and what we think about airline travel. You think people are going to stop getting flued out just because they got some screws loose on them planes? Do you have any idea how many flights have already been booked? You think those people are going to get refunds? I don't know. But in the comments, you let me know what you think of this stock. Let me know what you think of the homies at cheatcode.tv. If you want to use this app or this program, this software, and you want to get the text messages, or you want to be alerted when to buy, when to sell, I suggest you click the description below. Other than that, like, subscribe. I'm here. I'm tapped in each and every day on YouTube. I'm telling you, tell your auntie and your sister I said what up. We all here challenging your mind, attracting some paper, and maneuvering through the matrix. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.